Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this video, we're gonna look at how to download our data from Zedge. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account and enabled accessibility mode. In case you have not, do log in and enable it right now. This right here is the interface, and let's say we just want to download our data. What we need to do is simply go to our account settings. At the top right next to the bell icon, you'll see your profile. Simply click on it. Then this will open up from the side. Here's my username, profile page link, and right at the very bottom, here's something like account settings. I'm simply gonna click on it. Then a new page will open up. That's account management. Well, worry not. What we need to do is simply go to privacy and data. It's right here. Simply click on it. Then this will open up. It says get a copy of your personal data by email within 72 hours of your request. Well, we do want to download our data, so let's click on this download button right here. Well, as you can see, we have successfully requested our personal data. Within 72 hours, we will receive an email and we will get a link to our personal data like that. You simply have to check the mail of the registered email address and then you will receive the link. Well guys, that's it. That's how we download your data from Zedge. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.